Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. So brothers and sisters, in the last Sarf class, I was showing you the different kinds of negations that has come in Arabic language and the differences of that, how the meaning is expressed in past, in present, and in future. And we have done one example, and inshallah, we will finish the remaining examples today. So last week, I gave this example, سَتُقْبَلُ تَوْبَتُهُمْ. سَتُقْبَلُ تَوْبَتُهُمْ. So this is the affirmative sentence. Their repentance will be accepted. Okay, their repentance will be accepted. I gave homework, and some of you have done the homework. MashaAllah, I'm very happy with all those students who are really working sincerely, and they have really done a very good job. They are understanding, they are taking it sincerely, and most of you have done correctly. They understood the concept. So let's do it, and you can compare your answers where you were mistaken. So I will go through this example, and you compare your answers, so you will know your mistake. Now, this is the affirmative sentence, سَتُقْبَلُ تَوْبَتُهُمْ. Their repentance will be accepted. Now, if, as I mentioned, when it comes to past tense, only ma is used with madi. Okay, only ma is used with madi. Otherwise, lam is used with mudari, but mudari in which form? Which form of mudari? So when it comes to the meaning in past, either ma comes with fi'l al-madi or mudari comes with lam. But what form of mudari? It comes in the jazm form. Yeah, jazima, yes. It comes in the jazima. Yes, that's correct. So it comes in the jazima form. So now when I want to make ma with madi, so I have to find what is the madi of tuqbalu. What is the madi of tuqbalu, right? So if you will look at the dictionary, so you'll find that the madi of that is, actually you have to see the madi of yuqbalu, because the ta indicates the feminine ta, okay, and which is pointing to tawbatun. This is what I mentioned last word. Tawba is ending with ta marbuta, so it is, that is the file. So that's why this ta is used. Otherwise, there are two forms of mudari that will come with ta. One is hiya version and one is the anta version. Now here it cannot be anta because the file is tawbah, tawbatun. So that's why it is hiya version. So we have to find the hiya version of madi, which is qubilat. So huwa version was qubila. Huwa version was qubila. Okay. So qubila means he accepted. Qubilat means she accepted. Or so here it will be tawbatun, means tawbah getting accepted. Sorry, this is majhul form. So this is she getting accepted. or tawbah getting accepted. Understood? Tawbah getting accepted. So this is the majhul form. Okay. So what is the meaning of that? No, their repentance was not accepted. It's a kind of refutation. So normally when ma comes with madi, it is refutation. When ma comes with madi, it is refutation. No, their repentance was not accepted. As if someone is asking, was their repentance accepted? No, their repentance was not accepted. Now, let's bring it with mudari, but with the jazm form. So what will be the sentence? What will be the sentence with lam? Is it difficult? Okay. Lam tuqbal tawbatuhum. Very good. Lam tuqbal tawbatuhum. What will be the meaning of this? Lam tuqbal tawbatuhum. This will be normal negation. It will be their repentance was not accepted. Okay. Their repentance was not accepted. Now, ma'an nafi will keep the fail as it is. It will not change anything. Okay, but it will bring the meaning in the present tense. And as I mentioned to you, when it comes, ma comes with madi, with mudari, it gives the meaning in the present form only. It gives in the meaning in the present form. Okay, it doesn't take the meaning into the future tense. So it can be, so you can treat it as a thing that is only applicable now. And I gave you the example that if someone is not in a mood to give, to drink coffee, so he will use that, and normally he drinks coffee, but now he's not in a mood to drink coffee. So that time he will use ma nafi with mudari. Okay. Something that is only applicable now. That is, that time you will use mudari with ma. So here it will be ma tuqbalu tawbatuhum. Ma tuqbalu tawbatuhum. Okay, so the meaning of that will be their repentance is not being accepted. Their repentance is not being accepted, which is now. It is applicable now. Now, when it comes with la and nafi, so la and nafi is applicable for present as well as future. So the meaning extends from present to the future. Yes. So it will be la tuqbalu tawbatuhum. So here you can say their repentance is not accepted, whether now or in future. Okay, is not accepted. So here it is covered here also. Okay. And when it comes to nahi, and when it comes to the third person, then it is a strong recommendation. So la tuqbal tawbatuhum. So it will be la tuqbal tawbatuhum. It will be their repentance should not be accepted. It's a strong recommendation. Should not be accepted. Now, this is already done. So here in the future tense, if I'm saying this, لا تقبل توبتهم, so I will say their repentance won't be accepted. And when it comes to lan with huruf, lan is hurufun nasiba, right? So the fi'l al-mudari will be in the nasab form. It will be lan tuqbala tawbatuhum, lan tuqbala tawbatuhum, and it will be their repentance will not be accepted. Lamma gives something that has not yet happened, so it will be lamma tuqbal tawbatuhum. It will be their repentance has not been accepted yet. Their repentance has not been accepted yet. Does it help? Is it helping you now to know the different laws and ma's and nafi and nahi and all those things? Okay, and lam, lan, all this is helping you. Lamma, okay? This is all on one dashboard now, so that you can take it as a reference. يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر. يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر. What is the meaning of this? They all believe in Allah and the last day. Very good, excellent. They all believe in Allah and the last. Excellent. Yu'minuna is now pointing to the third person, whom. Yu'minuna, and it is with billahi. So when it comes to with harfu ba, then it means to believe. It means to believe. But when it comes to harfu la, then it means to give in, as I mentioned in the last class, right? Now you need to find, for yu'minuna, you need to find the hum version of Madi. Hum version of Madi. So now from the common sense, you can know that what will be the huwa version of Madi? It is related to Iman. So huwa version of Madi will be, I'm talking about huwa version, not the hum version. No, huwa version of Madi. Amana, excellent, amana. Good. Now, so what will be the whom version? Amanu. Oh, Siraj, be careful. Amanu, very good. So what will be the ma plus madi? Ma plus madi. Very good. Ma amanu billahi wal yawmil akhir. Very good. Ma amanu billahi wal yawmil akhir. What will be the meaning of this? No, they did not believe in Allah and the last day. No, they did not believe in Allah and the last day. Now with lam, it will be now in the jazm form. So what will be the jazm form with lam? Tell me. Very good. Very good. MashaAllah. Lam yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir. I want to point out something, brothers and sisters. How do you read this? Just listen to me. You should not read this like yuminu. That is wrong. Yuminu is wrong. Minu is correct because there is waw and sukoon here. But what is coming after ya, this which looks like waw, it is not actually waw, it is hamza. And waw is just a kursi. It's a chair for hamza. So hamza takes various chairs. Hamza sometimes takes ya as a chair. Hamza sometimes comes standalone. Hamza sometimes takes alif as a chair. And hamza sometimes takes waw as a chair. Okay, so you have to be careful. So here you have to pronounce it as a hamza. So yu'minu, like that. Okay. Lam yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir. Okay. So what will be the meaning of this? This is again in the past tense, though we are using jazm form of mudari. So we will the meaning of that will be they did not believe in Allah and the last day. Okay. They did not believe in Allah and the last day. Now with ma and ma nafi, the thing will be ma yu'minuna billahi wal yawmil akhir. Okay. Now this is in hal, in present. So what is the meaning of this will be they are not believing in Allah and the last day. As if someone is saying, are they believing? No, they are not believing. I'm explaining them, convincing them, but they are not believing. But maybe after 1 year, with constant counseling, he will believe. We don't know in future. But ma is referring to now. So you say, ma yu'minuna billahi wal yawmil akhir. Okay. Now with la and nafi. So it will be la yu'minuna billahi wal yawmil akhir. So this will mean they do not believe in Allah and the last day. Or when we are going to understand this from the future tense will be they won't believe in Allah and the last day. So when you are using la as if this is a gone case, these people are gone case, they are not going to believe. They will not believe now, nor they will believe in future. La yu'minuna billahi wal yawmil akhir. This is what it is. Is it clear? Now when it comes to la and nahi, this is a strong recommendation, but this doesn't make sense here. But for the sake of this, I have included this. This is not a good recommendation. So here it will mean la yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir. They should not believe in Allah and the last day. This is a very wrong recommendation. You should not give this recommendation to anyone, but for the sake of meaning, I'm just showing you the difference. So if by mistake you will read something like this, la yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir, it is not good. It's giving a very wrong meaning. Okay, this shows the importance from childhood. We have been taught that when you read Arabic, especially Quran, you have to be very careful about the signs. And you have to be very careful where you are elongating the sound, where you are. So you have to learn good tajweed also. This is recommended. Okay. So this is, again, we finished the la nafi. So this will mean in the future tense, la yu'minuna billahi wal yawmil akhir, means they won't believe in Allah and the last day. Now when it comes to lan plus mudari in the nasab form, it will means, okay, now tell me in the nasab form, what will be that? Lan Very good. لن يؤمنوا بالله واليوم الآخر. Very good. لن يؤمنوا بالله واليوم الآخر. So what will be the meaning? They will not believe in Allah and the last day. Okay. Now, lamma yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir will be, which will mean they do not yet believe in Allah and the last day. Okay. Maybe in future they do not yet believe in Allah and the last day. Is it clear? So now I'm going to take a very interesting topic today. Very interesting, inshallah. I hope you will enjoy that topic. And this topic is something very, very interesting. But I have been preparing the slides till my class got started and I ran out of time. So just give me a minute. I'm just making the last minute touches to the slide. Okay. This is Surah Yusuf. Just bear a minute, brothers and sisters. I'm just modifying my slide. Actually, I wanted to put a lot of stuff today, but I didn't got time, but I put something. So I hope it will be sufficient. Okay. Let me share now. Okay, so now the new topic that we are going to take is Taqeed. And the topic, I am giving the name of this topic is Laamul Taqeed wa Noonuhu. Laamul Taqeed wa Noonuhu. What does it mean? The Lam of Taqeed and its noon. Now, what is that exactly? It's a very interesting topic, inshallah. You see, Arabic is a very emotional language, especially the Quran. Quran even expresses things with emphasis, with emotions. So from the language you can make out, it's not like a very, very, I would say, just a flat language. So that is like you can, if you understand the language, you will know the feelings, what kind of thing is getting expressed here. So you will know it now today, inshallah, especially when you will read the Quran. So there are two types of noon when it comes to Taqeed. You know what is Taqeed? The Taqeed means emphasis. A Taqeed means emphasis. Now, what do you use for emphasis when it comes to ism? When it comes to ism, what do you use for Taqeed? You know that. Inna, very good. Inna. So you use inna for ism. Now, when it comes to fi'l, Taqeed is used by this. What? Laamul Taqeed wa noonu. Noon. Taqeed is used by noon. You can say that. So there are two types of noon. One is called noon Saqilah. Saqilah means heavy. Saqil. Saqilah means heavy. Noon Saqilah. And this has come many times in the Quran. The examples of this you'll find a lot in the Quran. And it gives double emphasis because it is carrying shadda. That's why it is heavy. Two noons are there. Shadda indicates the letter is repeated twice. So instead of writing the letter twice, you just put one shadda over it. That is the function of shadda. So this gives double emphasis. Now there is another noon which is called noon Khafifa, which is lighter noon. So it's a single noon with a sukoon on it. This is used for single emphasis. So this is used for single emphasis. So there are two types of noon. Noon Saqilah, which is noon mushaddad, and noon Khafifa, noon sakin. So these are the two noons that you have to remember. Now this noon Khafifa has come only twice in the Quran. It is rarely used, okay? It has come twice in the Quran. Usually, this will take the meaning into future. So that's why I was telling you, I was giving final touches to my slides, but I missed out one thing here, that this goes only with Mudari. Actually, I have mentioned this in another slide, which is coming. I wanted to organize my bullets point properly. Now these Noon Saqilah, Noon Khafifa, and Laamul Taqeed, they only come with Al-Mudari. They have nothing to do with Madi. It only comes with Al-Mudari. And it comes with Amr. And it comes with Nahi. So this Noon Khafifa wa Noon Saqilah, it comes with Mudari. It comes with Amr. And what are the different types of Amr you have learned? What are the different types of Amr you have learned? I'm sure many of you are confused. What are the different types? We only learned one Amr, which is Fi'lul Amr. Oh, good, Sister Sophia, good. Yes, so Fi'lul Amr and Laamul Amr. Excellent. MashaAllah, good. And it comes with Fi'lul Nahi. And it comes with Fi'lul Nahi. Okay? So this takes, when this Noon Khafif and Noon Saqilah, they come with Fi'lul Mudari, usually it gives the meaning in the future. So that's what I was saying. When it comes to a Taqeed and Ism, then we use Inna. But when it comes to Fi'l, then Taqeed is done using Noon Saqilah wa Noon Khafifa. Okay? Now, how do you form this? Okay, to create emphasis, to create a Taqeed in Fi'l al-Mudari, so first Mudari is prefixed with Laamut Taqeed. So Lam is attached in the beginning to the Fi'l. So let's take a Fi'l which is Yaf'alu. Now we are talking about Mudari only. Yaf'alu. It is Fi'l al-Mudari, means he does or he is doing, right? This is the meaning of Yaf'alu. He does. So you will first attach Laamut Taqeed in the beginning as a prefix. And then you will add as a suffix to Fi'l al-Mudari either Noon Saqilah or Noon Khafifa. As a suffix means in the beginning, La is coming and it is indicated by La, not Li. So as you know, in Arabic, there are many forms of Lam. Now this Lam is called Laamul Taqeed. And it comes with Noon Saqilah or Noon Khafifa. And it only comes when it gets attached to Fi'lul Mudari. So you will attach as a suffix Noon Saqilah, or you will attach as a suffix Noon Khafifa. So what will be the word? How the word will become? It will become La yaf'alanna. It was yaf'alu, but it becomes La yaf'alanna. Lam kalima will no more take dhamma, it will become fatal, it will become La yaf'alanna. And with noon khafifa, it becomes La yaf'alan. La yaf'alan. So here it means he does. So what will be the meaning of this? He definitely he will do. La yaf'alan. La yaf'alan. Okay. Here there is a emphasis, a taqeed. This is called Laamul Taqeed wa noonuhu. Lam, emphasis lam and its noon. So it is Saqilah, which gives more emphasis, and Khafifa, which gives 1 degree less emphasis. This gives emphasis double, this gives single emphasis. In English, I cannot write anything more than just definitely for both of them. So I will just say, definitely he will do. Is this clear? Definitely he will do. Okay. Now, when it comes to, so this is for the huwa version of yaf'alu. So you can have conjugation for Laamut Taqeed and wa noonuhu. How many conjugations you can have now for Fi'lul Mudari? How many combinations you can have? Did you got my question? Did you got my question or no? You didn't got my question. So I said, Sister Asma, 16. 40. Good, Sister Nahida. Very good. So I hope the answer gave you, answer have clarified your doubt. Okay. So you expect 14 conjugations. But in the 14 conjugations, when it comes to those conjugations whose i'rab is ending with noon, in that case, you will remove that noon and you will replace it with noon Saqilah or noon Khafifa. How? Let us see that. So let's take an example of yaf'alu. Yaf'alu. And we will attach noon Saqilah to this. So what this will become? Give me your answer. What this should become? La yaf'alanna. Not alunna. I told you. La yaf'alanna. So this will become la yaf'alanna. Very good. Now, what is the huma version of mudari? Yaf'alani. Huma version of mudari is yaf'alani. And what is the i'rab of this? Is having noon sound here. Here we will replace this noon. So this become la yaf'alani. This will become la yaf'alani because you cannot have 3 noons. Okay. So you will replace that with the noon Saqilah. La yaf'alani. Understood, brothers and sisters? Is it clear? So what do you expect for the home version? What is the home version of Mudare? First tell me the Mudare. Just tell me the Mudare without Taqeed. Without Taqeed. Yaf'aluna. Very good. Yaf'aluna. So what will be now with Taqeed? With Taqeed, what? La yaf'alunna. So you will not say la yaf'alunna. No, because you cannot have shadda and there is a waw with sukoon before it. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. So it will, you will omit the waw and you say la yaf'alunna. La yaf'alunna. Why you will omit that waw? Because two sakinain will come. Waw sukoon, and there is, when it comes to shadda noon, one of the noon is having sukoon on it. Okay, so you will say la yaf'alunna. La yaf'alunna. Now tell me the hiya version. Taf'alu. لتفعلن ما شاء الله. لتفعلن ما شاء الله. Very good. هما مؤنث. Very good. لتفعلان. Very good. Oh. Yeah, لتفعلان. Okay. Now hunna version. Now hunna version is very, very, you will not be able to make. Why? Because this noon, is it Arab? This is not Arab. This indicates this noon indicates the muannas. Hunna version. Muannas. So there is no noon Arab here. So this noon will be preserved. So how you will make this with Taqeed? You will make it la yaf'alnani. That noon will remain there. La yaf'alnani. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? See, with practice you will know. With practice you will know. Now you tell me the Anta version. Okay, it is tafalu. La taf'alanna. Very good. Now antuma is taf'alani. What will be with Taqeed? La taf'alani. Very good. Antum version of Mudari is what? Mudari without Taqeed. Mudari without Taqeed. Okay, fine. You are already giving. Okay, la taf'alunna. Okay, anti version will be anti version will be Taqeed with Taqeed. Lataf'alinna. Same thing here. You will not put ya because again two sukun will come to that. Lataf'alinna. Lataf'alinna. Is it clear? Okay. What about antuma? أنتما لا تفعلان. أنتن. أنتن. لا تفعلنان. لا تفعلنان. Very good. MashaAllah. Yeah. Okay. Anna? Very good. لأفعلن and لنفعلن. So the meaning of this is definitely he will do. So our practice is always when we do the conjugation, first we do for the ma'ruf and then we do for the majhul. Right? Now we will do majhul with nun Saqilah. Majhul with nun Saqilah. What will be the huwa version of that? Yuf'alu, very good. With Taqeed. With Taqeed. La yuf'alanna, very good. Definitely it will be done. This is the meaning it will give, right? Definitely it will be done. La yuf'alanna. Tell me now, fatafat. One by one. Directly tell me the answers. Without telling the majhul. Directly with Taqeed. Huma. La yuf'alani. Hum. La yuf'alunna. Not aluna. La yuf'alunna. Here. La tuf'alanna. Very good. Huma. La tuf'alani. La yuf'alnani. Anta. Okay. Anta la tuf'alanna. La tuf'al. La tuf'alani. La tuf'alunna. La tuf'alinna. La tuf'alani. La tuf'alnani. La uf'alanna. La nuf'alanna. This is for the majhul. So what you have learned till now is Laamul Taqeed wa noonuhu with noon Saqilah. With noon Saqilah. Now, what about noon Khafifa? Now, noon Khafifa also works exactly similar to Noon Saqilah. The only problem is Noon Khafifa is not valid for all duals. For all duals, Noon Khafifa is not valid. Okay? For all duals, sorry. Noon Khafifa is not valid. Remember. All duals, Noon Khafifa is not valid. And Jama Muannas, it is not valid. Noon Khafifa is not valid for all duals, including Muzakkar Muannas, and it is not valid for Jama Muannas only. Okay? Clear? Let's do this. Oh. So I think I don't want to give this example now. Okay. Okay. So let's do this. Noon Khafifa with Laamul Taqeed. So what is the Mudari? Yaf'ala. Tell me the Hua version. La yaf'alan. Okay. Is there a Huma version of this? No. Is there a home version of this? Is there a home version of this? Yes. So what is it? La yaf'alun. Very good. La yaf'alun. Is there a Hiya version of this? Okay, what is it? La taf'alan. Very good. Huma version is there? No. Hunna version is there? No. Anta version is there? What is it? La taf'alan. Antuma? No. Antum? La taf'alun. La taf'alun. Very good. Anti? Anti? Anti. La taf'alin. Very good. Antuma is there? No. Antunna is there? No. Ana? La af'alan. Nahnu la naf'alan. Clear? Majhul form. Tell me. The majhul form. La yuf'alan. Definitely it will be done. That is the meaning it will give. Definitely it will be done. Okay, because it takes the meaning in future. So it will be la yuf'alan. Huma, no. Hum, la yuf'alun. La yuf'alun. Very good. Here, latuf'alan. Latuf'alan. Very good. Huma, no. Hunna, no. Then anta latuf'alan. Antuma, no. antum latuf'alun, anti latuf'alin, antuma no, antunna no, then ana la'uf'alan, nahnu lanuf'alan. Okay. Okay. Can you do the whole conjugation of this, or you want to do it? Okay, I will go through with one example with you. Okay. Actually, I wrote only, you can take a screenshot of that and you can do it in writing, all the 14 combinations for Noon Saqilah. Okay, as well as Noon Khafifa. Okay, let's go through this for Noon Saqilah. La yahluban, la yahlubani, la yahlubunna, la tahluban, la tahlubani, la yahlubnani, la tahlubanna, la tahlubani, la tahlubunna, la tahlubinna, la tahlubani, la tahlubnani, la ahlubanna, la nahlubanna. Got it, brothers and sisters? You know to see the dictionary now. Okay. You know to see the dictionary. Go and see the dictionary. Okay. Okay. So this is what you can do it for all of this. This will be your homework. Same thing for Majhul. You can take the screenshot of this also for Noon Khafifa, both Ma'ruf and Majhul. Okay, both Ma'ruf and Majhul for Noon Khafifa. You can do this and you can give your homework on the group like you have done it before. And you can correct yourself also. People can correct each other. I know administrator is helping you out in correction, but you can also look at each other's and become volunteers of each other also. Okay. Okay, so this finishes the topic of emphasis, but there is another topic that I'm starting now because still I have 5-6 minutes and it is again related to emphasis only. Okay, instead of that, let me take this example of Quran ayah because this will be a new topic. Okay. So this is the two places I was talking about, brothers and sisters, that Noon Khafifa came at two places in Quran. So this is one place in Surah Yusuf, ayat number 32, and in which the wife of that Aziz, where he was staying, Surah Yusuf, so her words are mentioned here. قالت فذلكن الذي لمتنني فيه ولقد راودته عن نفسه فاستعصم ولئن لم يفعلوا ما أمروه لا يسجنن. So there is Loon Saqilah, la yusjananna. So what is mentioned here is, and if he will not do what I order him to do, because he was trying to attract Yusuf alayhi salam towards her, And if he will not do what I order him to do, so she said, La yusjananna, he will surely be imprisoned. What form of mudari is here? Ma'ruf or majhool? Majhool with Taqeed. So what she is saying? He will surely be imprisoned. He will surely be imprisoned. Wala yakunan. Now this is also Taqeed. This is also Taqeed. You will say, why there is no Taqeed here? Here it is, I will show. So here it is, wala yakunan. Actually it is la yakunan. So la yakunan is actually like this. La yakunan like this. So it is having noon khafifa. But in Quran it is written with 2 fatha for reading, you know. Wala yakunam min as-saghirin. This is how you will be reading it. Actually it is wala yakuna. So what she was saying, if he will not do what I order him to do, he will surely be imprisoned and will surely be of the one who will be saghirin. He will be debased, or he will be brought down. He will come to the lowest of the low people. Saghirin. Okay. This is an example of noon khafifa. This is one place where noon Saqilah is coming at many places. In Quran, you will find la yu'minunna, and you'll see so many places. There is noon Saqilah coming, but noon khafifa is, this is one place. The second place is in Surah Al-Alaq. Now here also the word uses la nasfa'an. La nasfa'an is actually la nasfa'a with fatha or ain and noon sakin. So there is noon khafifa here. Okay. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that nafsa'am bin nasiyah means we will surely drag him bin nasiyah, by the nasiyah. By the nasiyah means by his forelock, from his forehead. He will be dragged. Okay. So this is the second place where noon khafifa is mentioned in the Quran. Inshallah, in the next Sarf class, you will be learning again about Khafifa and Saqilah related to Amr and related to Nahi. Okay. Is this clear? Today's topic is clear, brothers and sisters? Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Barakallahu feekum. Tomorrow will be Quran class, inshallah, in Urdu. For Arabic, see you next week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.